Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung's latest innovation in 2024. Packed with powerful features, but does it truly deliver? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice is the 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, offering 120 Hz refresh rate. The slim, premium build feels luxurious in hand. It's stunning to look at, but can feel a bit bulky for one-handed use. The 200MP camera takes incredible photos with crisp detail. The 100x space zoom is impressive for distance shots, while the night mode captures vibrant, low-light images. However, the AI processing can occasionally make photos look overly enhanced. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and 12GB RAM, the S24 Ultra flies through heavy apps, games, and multitasking with ease. One UI 6.0 is smooth, though Samsung's customizations can feel a bit overwhelming for some users. The 5000 mAh battery lasts comfortably through the day, and with 45W fast charging, you can get hours of use with just 30 minutes plugged in. But wireless charging speeds could be improved. Overall, the Galaxy S24 Ultra excels with its top-tier display, camera, and performance. However, its bulky size and the premium price tag may not be for everyone. If you want cutting-edge tech, it's a strong contender. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button and subscribe